In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the split expression in Power Automate. If you're looking to streamline your processes by automating tasks, understanding how to utilize the split expression is a powerful tool to have in your arsenal. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, we'll need to create a new flow in Power Automate. Begin by navigating to Power Automate on your browser. Once you're there, focus your attention on the left-hand menu and click on Create. Here you'll see several options, but for our purposes, select Instant Cloud Flow. This option allows you to set up a flow that can be manually triggered whenever you need it. After you've selected this, it's time to give your flow a distinctive name, something that reminds you of its purpose. Also, you need to choose a trigger. For simplicity, let's go with Manually Trigger a Flow. Once you're done with these selections, click on Create to start setting up your flow. Now that we have our flow, the next task is to initialize a string variable. You'll begin this process by clicking on New Step. In the search bar, type Initialize Variable and select the corresponding option when it appears. We're going to set up our variable now. Name this variable something easily recognizable, like text2split. It's also crucial to specify the type, and in this case, we want it to be a string. You'll then see a field to enter the value. This is where you input the string you wish to split. For example, you could use a value like apple, banana, cherry. This string will be used later to demonstrate how the split expression works. After initializing your string variable, it's time to add a compose action to split this string. Again, click on New Step, and this time, search for Compose in the actions. Select it when you see it in the results. In the Inputs field of the Compose action, you're going to enter a simple yet effective expression: split, variables, text2split. What this does is instruct Power Automate to look at the text in text2split and split it at every comma it finds. So in our example, our fruits, apple, banana, and cherry, will each become separate, distinct items. There you have it. You have successfully created a flow in Power Automate that uses the split expression to dissect a string into manageable parts. This can be incredibly useful for further automating tasks, processing data, or organizing information efficiently in your workflows. By following these steps, you've not only learned a valuable skill, but also taken another step towards mastering Power Automate. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.